Borno State is taking a bold step to rebuild and empower its youths. Governor Babagana Zulum has launched a 1 billion naira program to equip young people with skills and financial support. Borno, once the heart of the Kanem Borno Empire, thrived as a center of trade and learning, but years of insurgency and insecurity disrupted lives, leaving many youths without opportunities. Today, the state government is acting to change that.
His Excellency has empowered our people with 1 billion naira empowerment, where 3,500 marketers got 100,000 naira each and undergone training of technicians, phone technicians, and where we have about 26 of our top technicians who benefited from 1 billion naira each and complete equipment set up for them and have undergone retraining capacity. And we have about 189 category which fall to category B that have benefited from 300,000 naira each and have undergone training and retraining, which were also been given the equipment to do their businesses. And then we have over 800 technicians from our markets that have benefited from both retraining equipment and also a capital of 100,000 naira each, which if you bring together, it has accumulated to the 1 billion naira intervention he has done for us.
With the cultural and behavioral aspect of people in the north generally, where a man will marry more than one wife, their religion allows them to marry 4 wives. Most of the youths that you see, they marry on time, and some of them have 1 wife, 2 wives, they have dependents. I'm telling you that if care is not taken, if it is not properly channeled, and you don't have controls in place to verify the utilization of this money will go into domestic use, and the youths will be back to square one.
The program targets 5,000 youths, training them in mobile phone repairs, digital technology, financial management, and customer relations.
Excellency is an open-minded person and is always ready to help. I have in my capacity arranged a database of over 7,000 business owners under me that needed this intervention. So when I presented to him, he divided them into 2 categories where he chose to settle this batch A with 1 billion naira that has comprised of over 5,000 marketers, which the remaining ones that were not able to benefit from this empowerment were set for batch B that will be done later this year.
It's always good to teach a man how to fish. The aspect of teaching them how to repair phones is a welcome development. It is a highly welcome development. Now, if they don't want this money to go to domestic use based on needs of these individuals, some of them already have wives, some of them have children, and those of them that are out of job, that means they don't have anything to support their families. If it is not properly mapped out how they are expected to utilize these monies and monitor, what plans do they have in monitoring and ensuring that these monies are properly utilized for what they are meant for?
The first batch of 1,050 beneficiaries will receive tools, digital microphones, financial support to start their businesses immediately. Funds are structured for impacts. Batch A receives 1 million naira each, Batch B 300,000 naira, Batch C 100,000 naira, and 3,500 apprentices get 100,000 naira each. Plans are underway for transport workers and other groups.
I will use this medium to thank His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Borno State, because if you could recall, first time he came into power in 2020, we were in our former market, which we are fewer than 1,000 people before he brought us to this new market. When he went to our former market and saw how we are living there, he said that, Mr. Chairman, this place you guys are doing business is not conducive to further expand the job opportunity that this business can create. So I will try to provide an enabling environment for these businesses to thrive. So he now moves us to this Blunkutu GSM market because of the impact of moving us and giving us an enabling environment for the businesses to thrive. We are further expanding within the short period of time to over 7,000 marketers.
If you look at the different batches of beneficiaries, I saw a greater chunk of the beneficiaries going to get like 100,000. Another bigger chunk are going to get like 300,000. And a patri number, about 28 of them are getting a million naira. If you look at the economy of today, the Nigerian economy, and the purchasing power within the economy, 100,000, 300,000, what can it actually do? How long can it actually take? I'm telling you, these monies that have been disposed may not really go a long way in militating. If it is a banditry, kidnapping, and the rest, it may not go with it. a long way in militating it.
For a state recovering from insecurity, this initiative restores hope, builds skills, and opens opportunities for Borno's youth, proving that in adversity, investment in youth can drive recovery and growth. Sydney Okafo for Anchor News.